Howdy everyone, my name is Stuart and my channel name here is Highland Timber Co. I am editing this and realized I never recorded an intro to this video. Today we are going to be cutting up a pine log into some 2x4s for an order I have that's going for a treehouse, I believe. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Don't forget to comment and let me know everything I'm doing right, doing wrong. And let me know if you guys like seeing those clips of water being poured on freshly cut wood. I'm debating whether or not I should do that on this channel. Looks like we're about 16 inches. Yeah, about 16 inches on this side, 18 inches on the far side. Nudge. Oh yeah, now see how that's nice and flush. Alright guys, we're right between airplanes, so I just want to say thank you for coming along on my first video with Highland Timber Company, the first log on the mill, a pine log. We got 14 2x4s out of it that were 11 feet long. I'm going to cut them down to about 10 feet for their final length once they're done drying. But I really appreciate you guys hanging out and sticking around. Again, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.